So this line is, praise God from you. And then it's like west, like this way,
okay.
west.
Is it beside that big tree?
There's
like with the rock?
There's a tree there, and then there's last time I was there's a squirrel.
Oh yeah, that one.
Here, in that spot.
Right there.
Oh!
Today we're shooting a commercial for DeFehr Furniture. Isn't that right, Josh?
That is correct. Yeah, we've got this really cool guy coming out. His name's Tim. He's a handsome, strong-looking gentleman.
You gave me butterflies in my tummy like you do.
And he's gonna be our actor today. And then we'll go to Birdsville Park, we'll unload this trailer, we'll build some furniture in the forest, make a really cool commercial.
Feeling pretty good. Like, our biggest thing today is gonna be the weather. Hopefully we can like get it all shot in one weather setting. Our actor looks awesome.
But I know that it's real when I'm looking at you.
Basically, we're setting up an entire kind of furniture set in the forest. So there'll be a bed, there'll be a table, a wardrobe, dresser. The spot we picked hopefully will work out really well. When we get there, we're gonna have to do a whole bunch of work of clearing out trees, some branches and things like that, and then of course set up the set of furniture. So that's actually probably gonna be the majority of our time, is just getting the set looking just right. What we're trying to do with this set is really capture like the viewer's attention and make them wonder, why is this furniture in the middle of the wilderness? And then the bed like right in the middle. And then like the wardrobe by the side of this tree.
You can get that wide angle shot from here.
Oh yeah,
Right?
or here. And we'll just like scissor those guys off.
Yeah. Okay. This is great.
Yeah.
Really great. Woo. Okay. We love our past customers, and I just want, it's been a few years since we've touched base, and I just wanted to see if like, did you need a car, or
Just straight to it.
straight to, I'm like, you know what, man, I'm sorry, like I just got a new truck. Yeah, you want to buy something right now?
Always the new people they give those to.
Well, that's the
Yeah.
thing. I'm like, he had to earn his stripes somehow, right?
They get their
Well, Natasha kept on falling and running into things.
most embarrassing moments in life always involve me falling in public. Always.
Or on camera.
Oh yeah.
Look at that piece of art. Is that Canada?
I'm the gopher. I'm just meant to help get stuff here, set stuff up. I'm very, very familiar with this furniture, so I know how to put it together. It's a beautiful day out here. It's nice being in the bush.
What
TV,
on
you
earth
know?
is this? Coffee?
Oh, yeah. So we take our props seriously here. I want the coffee to be steaming when Tim pours it. My name is Natasha Evans, and I'm the Canadian sales manager at DeFehr Furniture. We have a very dated corporate video currently, so we were looking to spice it up, and we came in contact with Blackshare, who gave us some amazing ideas, and here we are, lo and behold, in the forest, getting ready to put together our new corporate video. Well, as you can see, I'm not setting up anything, so I'm more making sure that everything is running smoothly. I'm gonna go with titleless.
Titleist.
Titleless.
Okay.
Yes.
She's playing the pretty
Coordinator.
Project manager.
There we
Project
go.
manager,
We'll go
okay.
project manager.
Hey, my name's Tim. Today I'll be playing the part of the slumbering woodsman, I guess.
Waking up from a good night's sleep,
Having a little bit of morning coffee, maybe some OJ. I think I've got a bit of a breakfast lined up. I got a text or a phone call from Natasha, who's a friend of mine, and just kind of explained what it entails and seemed like something I'd like to be a part of. The beard, I think that's probably what got me here. Yeah, nice to be outside. At least we got a nice day here in mid-May, so that's always a good start.
That branch is okay. Did you bring a reflective vest for me to get on this thing? Don't worry. Used to do some circus performances back in the day.
In the heart of the Canadian prairies lies a piece of nature where aromatic pines are grown and harvested to create some of Canada's finest furniture.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that was
do it one more
really
time.
good flow. Really
One
good
more
flow.
more
eh?
time.
I'd say still like a little bit more.
Animated.
Yeah,
On
I
your
can
neck?
probably hear it better than any of you guys.
Yeah,
Am I shouting again?
yeah, a little bit. That's okay. Tone down the aggression a little bit.
In the heart of the Canadian prairies lies a piece of nature where aromatic pines are grown and harvested to create some of Canada's finest furniture.
Yeah. That was your best take, I think, so far.
Nice.
Here.
Unreal. I knew it was gonna happen.
At least it wasn't a face plant.
Scene 4, take 6.
Milled right here, trees are carefully selected and cut to the highest standard.
Like
Awkward
right
talking
here.
to a cupboard.
It sounds like you're talking into a cupboard,
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not going in.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, big time. If you can stand further back, that would be much better.
Yeah, any extra weight on that branch is no bueno.
That's cold, eh? You guys
Yeah.
feel that?
It's just straight north wind.
Yikes.
Worst weather turn ever.
Right?
A little easier than
No worries.
Is that packaging cozy?
Oh my gosh, it's like
And then so just say that line as you're walking to the camera.
To allow the essence of the natural material.
Yeah, that was perfect. Well, I don't mind the overcast, but I could do without the wind.
Oh yeah, the icy wind is just dumb.
I'd say you just gotta keep going, just in case the wind gets worse.
I'd say it's for sure gonna get worse.
woohoo!
Ay ay ay. Sweet Hannah. We just lost our painting.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, just lean it up for now.
Okay, so whenever you're... We'll pause for a second.
Oh my word.
Getting a little wild there.
Hold strong, trees. These trees want to fall.
To allow the essence of the natural material to shine through.
Yep. Yeah, let's do a couple more takes. Good animation, warm thoughts.
Is it to allow the...
To allow the essence of the natural material
Essence
to shine through.
Let's pause. Just wait for the wind. Scene 7, take 4.
To allow the essence of the natural material to shine through.
Yep. It's
Pop
like,
and
oh,
pause.
he's changed. That's so cool, right? So, okay. Whenever you're ready, let's give it a shot. Go.
To shine through in the finished product.
Yeah, good.
Your audio's good, Caleb?
Awesome.
Your
Okay.
shoulder's good, Caleb?
We are dedicated to providing long-lasting, quality furniture, as we always have.
Sorry. That was too perfect.
So
I
good.
ruined it. I'm going to add a little sippy sound, too. I'm going to go like a... Yeah. We had a little bit of a scary moment in the middle there where a windstorm kind of picked up.
So, how'd it go?
It went well. The wind was crazy, as you can see. Clearly not dressed for hurricane-like winds.
I think it went pretty good. A little bit chilly out. We got through it. Hot coffee. Luckily we weren't shooting swimsuit commercials, so it's all good.
Yeah, like
Just cleaning up the environment.
I feel weird saying it now. I gotta warm up mentally. Mental warm up, yeah. Okay, so we just finished shooting all of this stuff. We got all the shots that we needed, so we're packaging up all of the furniture that we grabbed. But yeah, essentially that's it. The shoot went really good. We got a lot of really good content. Tim was perfect on camera, and I think we got a lot of really cool photos out of the project too. So we'll be editing those up over the next few days and shooting those off to DeFehr, and they'll soon have one of the coolest commercials that they've ever had. That's how I'm ending it.
Just there.
Yeah, back to Winnipeg, and that's a wrap.
In the heart of the Canadian prairies lies a piece of nature where aromatic pines are grown and harvested to create some of Canada's finest furniture. Milled right here, trees are carefully selected and cut to the highest standard. It's then delivered to our facility, and we take it from there. Every step of the process is designed to achieve perfection through innovation and quality, to allow the essence of the natural material to shine through in the finished product. We are dedicated to providing long-lasting, quality furniture, as we always have. We are DeFehr Furniture, proudly Canadian.